Did you know there's a place on Earth where it can actually rain fish from the sky? Sounds impossible, right? But in Honduras, a strange phenomenon called rain of fish has been reported for generations. After powerful storms, people have found live fish scattered across roads, fields, and even in their neighborhoods. Imagine stepping outside after a thunderstorm and seeing fish wriggling all over the ground. Scientists believe that strong tornado-like winds or waterspouts may lift fish from rivers or shallow waters and carry them through the air before dropping them miles away. While the exact cause is still debated, one thing is certain: nature can be stranger than anything we imagine. Follow for more facts that sound completely fake, but are actually real.